Welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clean the jack socket, the headphone jack, on a Samsung Galaxy A52s phone. For cleaning, we need a brush about 3 centimeters long. It should be round, with bristles that go from narrower to wider. We need isopropyl alcohol, 100% pure, to soften the dirt and clean the contacts, and then so it evaporates without leaving any trace. You can buy such a set on Allegro or Amazon. We need to turn off the phone. Never clean it while it's turned on. How is it? Once it's turned off, only then can we clean it. We prepare the brush. Apply isopropyl alcohol along the entire length. Make sure the brush is wet, really wet. Take the phone in your hand. The jack socket is right here. Insert the brush all the way in as far as it will go and turn it to the right 5 times. Then turn it to the left 5 times and pull the brush out. Repeat this operation about 5 times, so that's 25 times in each direction, and you'll have a perfectly clean socket. Whatever was in there will come out the same way. No problems at all, you'll have a socket working like new. After the procedure, set the phone aside for about 10 or 15 minutes to let the isopropyl alcohol evaporate, and only then can you turn it on and use it normally. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in my next video.